Yo, what's up, guys? It's Percy again, just a lube tech. I haven't really filmed in a while, so I just want to take a moment here to kind of talk to you guys for a second and talk about a subject today called dreams. And what are dreams? What are dreams when you're aspiring to do something that you've never done before? And dreams for me, back when I was changing oil and underneath cars, was pulling engines and rebuilding them, taking all that knowledge that I have and applying it to what I am doing now today, man. And so dreaming is important. To remember what you're working towards is so important in your pursuit of whether coming from a C-Tech, hell, even a D-Tech, hell, even a Walmart Quick Lube individual. Coming from that and looking towards what you want to be doing is important. And for me today, dreams, man, they came true. This is coming out of a Hyundai Tucson here. And this is a short block. Look at that. Beautiful stand too, man. Love it. Pulled this engine out today. And look at that. Man. I never thought I'd be at this point. Never did. Various components and parts. But I say this to reassure to everybody out there that multiple things matter. Continue to educate yourself. Continue to watch every individual you can. Continue to dream what you want to dream. Continue to believe. Continue to aspire. Continue to never forget to remind yourself why you do what you do. I got to rebuild this. There's the old one here. And put it all back together for this customer. And if you would have told me 3.5 years ago that this is where I'd be, I would have never imagined it. I would have never believed it. But I remind you guys to continue to dream. I've been working hard. I've been trying to push out more videos for you guys. It's been difficult. Hyundai has got some major engine recalls right now. And it's wake up at 6:30 to get to the shop at 7:30 to try to get as many done as you possibly can, get the diagnosing work done. And it has been a hassle, and it's been hard to manage life and filming and keeping you guys updated. I know it's been a while. I know we haven't talked in a while, and that's okay. But I had to take this moment as I sat here and looked at things and responded and kind of all clicked. That wow moment, you know? Here's a block that just came out of an engine, and you're going to put this thing back in time. You're going to put the head back on it. You know, you're going to prime the system. And you're going to put this back on this vehicle. This isn't a reman. You know what I mean? This isn't a long block ready to just drop and pull, which is still a task of its own. You know, not knocking that. I'm not, just because I'm doing those quicker does not mean that it's easy. It's still something I learn and gather. But just remember, continue to work hard. Continue to believe in your dreams. Continue to, that's my in hat, by the way. Teal probably wasn't the best color. But continue to dream, continue to believe, continue to grow in any way you can. Online, ASE books, I mean, anything informative, Automotive Oil Change Association, dealers, even the guides to the left and the right, and even YouTube to some degree. Place your dreams, place your goals, remember what you're working towards, and you will get there. Drop some comments on what you want to see in the next video. I'd really appreciate it. Input is awesome. But for right now, guys, it's 7 o'clock, and I'm going home. So, peace out.